In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in place in Figma. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to copy an element or a group of elements from one location and paste them into another frame while maintaining their exact original coordinates relative to that new frame. It's perfect for ensuring pixel-perfect alignment when you're duplicating UI components, moving elements between similar artboards, or simply needing to replicate something precisely within your design file. The process begins with the first essential step. You need to copy the layer you wish to work with. To do this, simply select the specific layer or layers on your canvas that you want to duplicate. This could be anything from a single text box, a shape, an icon, an entire group of elements, or even a component. Once selected, there are a few ways to copy. You can either use the common keyboard shortcut, Command-C on a Mac, or Control-C on a Windows machine. Alternatively, you can right-click on your selected layer and choose Copy from the context menu, or navigate to the Edit menu at the top of Figma and select Copy. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected exactly what you intend to copy will save you time later. Now, for the critical second step, which differentiates paste in place from a regular paste, you must click on or select your destination frame before you perform the paste action. This is crucial because it tells Figma precisely where you want the copied elements to be anchored. If you don't select a frame, Figma might paste your elements somewhere less predictable, often in the center of your canvas or relative to your current viewport, which isn't what we want for an exact in-place paste. So, take a moment to click on the target frame in the canvas, or select it from the Layers panel on the left-hand side. This frame will be the new parent for your copied layers. With your destination frame selected, you're ready to paste in place. The most efficient way to do this is by using the specific keyboard shortcut, Shift-Command-5 for Mac users, or Shift-Control-5 for Windows users. You can also achieve this by going to the Edit menu at the top of Figma and selecting Paste Here, or Paste in Place from the dropdown. Once you execute this command, you'll immediately see your copied layers appear within the selected frame, positioned at the exact same X and Y coordinates they held in their original parent. This means if an element was at 50 relative to its original frame, it will be at 50 relative to your newly selected frame as well. This precision makes redesigns and iterative work significantly faster and more accurate. Mastering this simple two-step process, copying your desired layer, and then specifically selecting the destination frame before pasting in place, will greatly enhance your workflow in Figma. It's a fundamental technique for maintaining design consistency and efficiency across your projects.